Going to take a look at Pegasus Hobbies 1/24 scale Spinosaurus. The box art, really eye-catching, really nicely done. Here's people involved with the kit design, base sculpt, figure sculpt, and paint. And what the completed model looks like on the side of the box. As always, I will start with the instructions. Pretty self-explanatory. Get a little history lesson. Construction. And the paint guide. Basically the kit comes in 18 pieces and it's pretty much all vinyl. Here's the legs. Detail on it is just gorgeous. I did do some test fitting. I haven't actually built it, but everything does seem to fit. You may have to, when you get it assembled, add a little ABS epoxy sculpt to blend everything in, but that is a-okay. This kit measures right now roughly 16 inches. If the tail was straight, it would be about 22-24 inches long. But really impressive kit. This kit also runs $65, which at first I was kind of hesitant, but after seeing the model, it's actually really well done and worth the money. There is the body and the tail. The head. The arms. Very little flash on here at all, if I don't see any. And if there is, it's just minute, very little cleanup. Fish for the base. The jaw, toenail, tongue, and some fins. Wood for the base. And the base itself. And the base is a little more rigid than the vinyl of the kit, but detail on it's excellent. Really great kit. It's well worth the money, and I highly recommend this to anyone. The simple construction should be a breeze for any modeler of any skill level and any age, and a highly welcomed addition to the model world, the Spinosaur. Do highly recommend it. And that is the Pegasus 1/24 scale Spinosaur.